Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can blur in Canva in 2025. It could be a face or it could be a background. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I will go over here to the home, and then I will click on any social media platform, and then I will choose the size for our design. So once I did, then I will select an image for our users. So let's go to the upload. Once I come over here, then I'll select this one. I'll place this one in here. So if you want to change the background, you just need to go over here, edit, and here you will get a couple of options like erase or anything. Here you will find out that blur one also available in here. You can blur whole image or you can blur only selected items. Like I want to blur the faces, so I will select the face here, and then I will blur whole things, and you can see it already become whole. If you want to change the background for whole image, you can blur whole things here easily. So this way you can blur your image or your faces or your background. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.